Friends, today I am going to show you how to make corn cheese momos. So let's start our recipe. Needed ingredients are all-purpose flour, means only maida, some boiled corns, chili sauce. This is oregano and chili flakes mix. Some processed cheese or normal cheese. I have taken 4 cubes. Some oregano packet. Then garlic. I have crushed this garlic. Some black pepper, salt, and now I am going to take these all boiled coins in a grinder. So I will put all the coins in this grinder. I have taken total 2 cups of corns. And I have boiled it in the water, and I have put the salt also. So now I have grind these coins. So now this consistency, means like this thickness it must have. Don't make too grind. Mix it with the spoon. Now I will put the processed cheese, 4 cubes. You can use mozzarella cheese also, but in lockdown mostly processed cheese only is available. Now I am going to put some oregano and chili flakes. This is mixed oregano and chili flakes. Some grated garlic. Now some black pepper. And now last, salt as per taste. Now mix this. All the ingredients must be mixed properly. So now I have mixed the all ingredients properly. So I will keep this aside. And now I will make a dough. So I have taken here all-purpose flour, means only maida, some salt, I have taken total 1.5 cup of maida. So now I will take the water. Put some water only first and put little water first. Don't put more water, otherwise it will get very. Don't make very liquidy form. Make a soft and smooth dough, because momos need very soft and smooth dough, then only it gets big in size. So now I have made a soft and smooth dough, and I have put half tablespoon of oil. I have made a smooth and soft dough. So now we will close it for 10 to 15 minutes to make it smooth and soft. Cover it like this. Till the dough gets smooth, we will make a sauce. So first I will put some garlic, which I have chopped it and grated it. If you like more garlic, you can put. then some black pepper, then oregano. I have taken a pouch, and mix them. If you think that the salt is too less, you can put some salt also. I will just put this much salt. And mix it. So here's our sauce also is ready. As well, I have taken here chili sauce. You can also use tomato ketchup. So wait for the dough. After 10 to 15 minutes, we will see our dough. See how soft and smooth it is. So now I will mix this properly. Now take out small balls. Make a small balls. And take any flat surface and spread over the flour and make. So now I have taken a rolling pin to make it. Make it very thin. The middle part must be thick and sides corner must be thin. This much size it must be. Now like these small circles, now fill with the corn mixture. Now fold it like this, like our means modak we say, that type. And give a perfect shape. If you don't have to do like this shape or not, you are not going to do or anything, you can do like a modak shape also. Make it curves and put a forks strips on it from sides. Then nice texture of the momos it looks. Make nice curves. See how nice momo it looks. Now again we will do. So I have put just 6 momos in this, and this is a net one. You can take any aluminium or steel container. So now before putting these momos in this net, I have greased some oil to this net. So now I have kept here some boiling water in the container which we have make a dough. So now we will put this net upside this. It's too hot, so be careful. Like this we have to put, and we have to take a lid and close it. So now I have closed this properly, and we will keep it to steam for 15 to 20 minutes, and I have kept the flame on medium. So let's wait for 20 to 15 minutes. So let's see now after 20 to 15 minutes our momos are cooked or not. see how much big in size it looks and pretty it looks. So now here's a nice and momos. Pretty momos are ready, and see how big in size it's looking, and it's in a big size also. Let's check out this. Keep it this side. I have off the flame. Now I will take this one spoon and take out with this. So here I have take out all the momos in the plate, and see how yummy it looks. Don't forget to try this recipe at your home without fail, and enjoy this recipe with your family. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.